Seriously, no one should have any excuse of not earning money with your smartphone. Most people always feel bad thinking that they cannot manage to have that confidence of looking into a camera and talk for almost 9 minutes, 8 minutes, because a longer video on YouTube, it needs 9 minutes, but it's not a guarantee. In today's video, I'm going to show you that you can use shorts in all ways, in different ways, and you make money. So I tried this in the last 7 days of shorts because I wanted to come and I give you the feedback such that you should not have any complaint. But before we dive in, I'm going to be showing you how it performed. Even they always perform better than the videos. I'll show you from my channel, that is Immaculate Show. We have 4 channels, but I'll be showing you from a teaching channel. But before that, I would love to say a disclaimer, guys. I'm not saying that the moment you follow Immaculate Show, this pure, it is an educational channel. These are educational videos. Whatever you find here, take it, do research about it, confirm. If you find it is okay, you can apply them. If it is not okay, you can discard them. So we give you around 2 to 10% of the tips that are used across like the very few social media entrepreneurs who are making it work on social media. The rest, you'll add it for yourself. And to my special engagers, you guys, I love you so much. If you know you have reached this video up to this time without liking it, without forwarding it to somebody, please do, because this one is going to help someone out there who is having the same mentality of thinking, I don't have the capacity to look into the mirror, to look into the camera and I talk. So let's dive in and I show you how almost 5 to 7 of my shorts performed. Then you will decide you can do shorts in different ways. So these are exactly this is my channel, that is Immaculate Show channel, and I'm going to be showing you some of our what they call, some of our shorts, that how they are performed. From here you'll decide either you can go ahead and use shorts. You know, for you to be monetized on shorts, you need some number of views, and there are also some conditions. So let me start with this one. So this video, you can see it was this short, it was for 3rd May, and where we want to concentrate more, I told you I want it to concentrate on how it's performed. With me, you can see how this short has performed. It has 1.1k views, and it with 2 subscribers, and its estimated income is 0.04. Remember, this is a short of less than it is around 10 seconds. Subscribers and unique viewers are 535. So this one will show, at the end of it you'll have to know what you will think about if you want to invest in shorts. If you don't want to, that is one. Let me show you the second one. I'll just show you that now. Yes, this is how shorts pay. So you're encouraged to not to have any excuse. You can make money with your shorts. Like the way you have seen, you forgive me because my voice is not cool, and even the energy. Yeah, so let's see this one here. You can see this one, I posted it just the day before I recorded this video. Now here, let me get something to direct you with. If you see here, according to views, it is ranked by 2, meaning it is doing well. But the total views is 1.7. You can see this is 1.7. Average percent viewed is 201.4, which is very to know exactly. So this is what it means. Irrespective of those shorts you see, you just drop there and move on. Now it is already earning. It is at 0.1, but it will be earning more because it just, these are it is paid as to 48 hours. 48 hours, but by next day another 48 it will be well. So you can see it is 1.7 and it has scored already money. What is the essence of me bringing for you these ones? I'm bringing them because I want you to know that there shouldn't be any excuse for you not to earn money. Even if you don't go to long videos, you can use short videos. And in the next next video, I'll be showing you sometimes you don't even use your photos or your videos, provided you're going to put something that is not already with copyrights. So let me show you like this one again. This one I posted it on 3rd and I recorded the video on 5th. By 5th it had 1.1k views. Does it pay? Let's look for whether it pays. Yes, it pays. This one is having 0.04 and it has attracted 2 subscribers. What can I show you the content of this? The content was just me. I was just taking I was eating, I think it was after work, and I was eating some yogurt, and I put music and I posted. So I don't think there should be an excuse. Let's see this one, which is so far trending. It is 26. It was just a collabo. This collabo, and it is another video idea that I'll be sharing with you if you make me remember. Collabos give you more money because you earn more views and more duration because you tap into the audience of the person you're collaborating with. And kudos to the person who showed me this. Is called Prince DJ Prince. Thank you very much. So you can see 26. Let's see how much it has scored in 26 views. Yeah, it has scored 0.25. Above all, it has attracted 11 subscribers. It has added on it. This is so wonderful. So what are we talking about? We are talking about the money that I was paid using okay, from my shorts. Let me show you another one. I'm trying to show you that everything that you post you can get money, provided you know what it means. This is a collabo, so it scores 0.042. And it is still counting. You know, someone out there who doesn't know these ones, okay? Sorry, say, oh no, 0.04, it is growing. This is passive income. I'm trying to show you how shorts have contributed to my income in the last 7 days. Everything that I posted, of course, it had to give some amount of money. If you've reached here before you even subscribe or share, engage, please. My question is, why are you not really doing it? Because it is very beautiful if other people come to know that also shorts you can earn from them. It's not a must that you make only long videos. You can see after knowing this trick, most of the time, at least I put a short on a daily basis. So you can see this one, it got 1.6k views and it was a collabo. It is already earning 0.1 plus one subscribe. Hope you're with me. Last but not least, I'm going to show you how this one also paid. This was the 28.k. was the most performing very well. And how did it pay me, or how is it paying me? Because this is passive. It now is on 0.81. It didn't last even 1 minute. Let's click bio. It's a collabo and it gave me 4 subscribers. So you guys, I really pray that you can know that there is money in your smartphone. Thank you very much. If you want to know anything about shorts and its monetization, you can write it in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.